Hey guys, today I want to show you how to play You're the Nearest Thing to Heaven by Johnny Cash. So take a guitar and follow along. I have sailed the peaceful waters of the ocean deep and blue. I held my breath and watched the western sunsets golden hue. I've flown above the mountain peaks and valleys wide and green, but you're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. You're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. I have searched for happiness so long and far, but my search for love was through the day that I found you. 'Cause you're the nearest thing to heaven, darling, you. I confess that I've been tempted by alluring magic charms. When a smile was flashed my way, set before two open arms. But I turned and walked away because I love you like I do. You're the nearest thing to heaven, darling, you. You're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. I have searched for happiness so long and far, but my search for love was through the day that I found you. You're the nearest thing to heaven, darling, you. I have watched the silver raindrops fall to earth to cool the day. Watch the rainbow at its twilight when the clouds have blown away. I love the pretty flowers, but I cannot buy their worth. 'Cause you're the nearest thing to heaven on this earth. You're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. I have searched for happiness so long and far, but my search for love was through the day that I found you. 'Cause you're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. You're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. I have searched for happiness so long and far, but my search for love was through the day that I found you. You're the nearest thing to heaven, yes you are. Yes, you are.